home the crown.
We are now at one of the most exciting moments of the year. The competition has been fierce, and while only one contestant can take home the crown.
So let's get to it. Let's announce. Miss Philippines Pakistan's second runner-up is no other than Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan, Urdaneta City.
To those audiences who are joining us live, what happened to Miss Ordaneta, nagkaroon po tayo ng emergency. Kanina po, she fainted. Unfortunately, she was rushed to the medical para po maagapan po at magkaroon po ng first aid para po masiguro natin ang kabutihan po and also for the kapakanan ni Miss Ordaneta for the information of all po. So we had an emergency earlier for Miss Ordaneta. That's why po wala po siya dito on stage. So we're making sure na safe po ang ating mga candidates. It's not all about the beauty and of course the glamours. It's also about ensuring the safety of our Miss Universe Philippines candidates.
Yes, and of course, health as well.
Let's get into business. Pangasinan, good evening, will win the crown tonight. The loudest cheer will win. It's time of yan.
Or is it the song? We have come to the moment of truth. Once again, ang una namin babasahin ay ang bagong Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan 2025. At ang hindi matatawag ay automatic siya ang Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan first runner-up.
And for any reason, the winner cannot fulfill her duties. The first runner-up will take her place. The Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan 2025 is...
She is! Congratulations to
the new Miss Universe Philippines Pangasinan 2025 is...
And of course, this means that ang 2025 first runner-up is Miss Nasol.
Congratulations for the first runner-up of Miss Universe. And the ambassadors will be receiving 100 Miss Philippines Pangasinan 2025 Miss San Fabian!
So she wins.
Philippines.
Once again, our new